getting tired of having the same old thing for dinner and lunch day after day after day? Well, I'm here to change that. Because today we're going to make some Asian style shrimp tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. This is one of those meals that's really, really easy to put together and the entire family will love it. It don't take long to cook this at all either. But speaking of cooking, let's go ahead and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. Because we got a little bit of prep to do, not a whole lot, but let's go ahead and get that done while that griddle heats up. So first things first, let's get working on that dressing. Now, most of this stuff, well actually all of this stuff I already had in the cabinet. So most of this stuff you're already gonna have, if not all. We're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil here. Don't need a whole lot. As you can see, I'm not measuring. Rice wine vinegar. Add just a little splash of that in there. Let's see here. Soy sauce. Need some soy in there. We'll splash of that. What else we have here? Sesame seed oil. Need some splash of that in there. Let's see what we got here. Some ginger. Got to be ginger with the ginger. Shake it up, make sure it's all mixed together. Now, if you want to use fresh, okay, whatever. This is actually fresh. A little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic. Come on out. Come on. Had this problem last time with the garlic. Didn't want to come out. There we go. We got it coming out. There we go. Ooh, a little much. That's okay. Can you have too much garlic? I don't think so. All right, some pepper. And salt. And what we'll do is mix this together really well and see how it tastes. So, grab my spoon back here and let's get to mixing this up. Because what we're going to do is mix our slaw in this. I'll go ahead and tell you, I'm probably going to need more liquid because it went a little heavy on the garlic, which, you know, it happens. That's okay. You're going to want this. I promise you, you're going to want a lot of this. Let's see how it's tasting. Tastes good, but more rice wine vinegar, definitely. Get a bit of that in there. And more soy. More soy. Needs more soy. All right, let's mix that up. See how it'll be tasting now. So basically, what I'm doing is, as you notice, I didn't measure anything. You measure with your heart. Add it, try it out, add more of this, less of that, whatever you want to do. Make it where you like it. Let's see if I like it. Oh yeah, I like that. Ooh, that's good. That's real good. So now, I have some slaw here. Yes, I cheated on the slaw. I went and bought a bag of it. That's okay, make your own if you want to, whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to dump some in here and just kind of mix it together. Don't know if I'm going to use the whole bag or not. Probably not. Let's just do that and then mix all this in. Get that slaw good and coated. Because you don't want heavy mixture of it. You just want the taste on the slaw. At least that's what I'm after. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. So let's set this over here to the side and let's work on that shrimp. What I have here is, I don't know, about a pound of shrimp roughly. Move some of this other stuff out of the way here. And we're going to season it with some island stir fry. Season whatever you like to season your shrimp with. I love this island stir fry. We're going to take that and just mix that up now. So this island stir fry on this shrimp and that delicious slaw we just made, yeah, this is going to be really good, y'all. There we go. Prep is done. Let's go check on that griddle. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. It's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. Let's start off with this country crock drizzle and sizzle. I usually say sizzle and drizzle, but it's drizzle and sizzle. Either way, let's get something on here. Give all these shrimp a good buttery taste. Or a butter bath, I guess you'd say. Get them all on there. Ooh, that smells good. That smells real good. That island seasoning along with all this buttery good flavor. Yes, sir. Shrimp on the Blackstone ranks up there with bacon on the Blackstone, in my opinion. You know life is good when you got shrimp over here cooking on this Blackstone. Yes, sir. It smells so good out here and gonna taste even better in just a little bit. Now that these shrimp been cooking about maybe 2 minutes, let's come here and just flip them around. Stir them up, because shrimp does not take long at all to cook on the Blackstone. You just spread these back out and just let them continue cooking for just a few more minutes. Telling you, we're gonna be eating good. Shrimp are almost done. Let's go ahead and slide them over. Get them over here for right now, because we gotta warm up some tortillas. You can't have tacos of any kind without some tortillas. And I'm just using these flour ones right here. All we're gonna do is just throw them down here and just warm them up. We're going with 6 of them today. There you go. Get them warmed up while that shrimp finishes cooking. After about a minute or so, come in here and just give these a flip. Not looking really to crisp them up, just kind of warm them up and get them ready. But while we're at it, let's go ahead and stir our shrimp too. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful, beautiful piece of shrimp right there. Telling you, it's gonna be some good eating. I tell you what, my mouth is starting to water. And just like that, it's time to take these things up and go build them. Let's get our tortillas up off the Blackstone first. Put them on our cutting board here. We'll set these over here. Gotta make room, gotta make room. Grab up this beautiful shrimp. Y'all look at that shrimp right there. Whoa, that's the star of the show. Come on, let's go over here and build these things. Told you come together fast. All we're gonna do now is build them. So let's go ahead and get all our tortilla shells down here in our taco rack. And if you need a taco rack like this, the link's down there in the description. I'll tell you what, I love these taco racks. I mean, look how easy it is to go ahead and just put them in here and build your tacos. But speaking of building, I need my tongs. I got them. I got them. Let's go ahead and fill up these tacos with some shrimps. You think Bubba would be proud of me for this shrimp taco recipe? I think he would. Please tell me you know who Bubba is. So let's get them all filled up here. I think we're gonna have just enough shrimp, y'all. Look at here, for 6 tacos. That one there keeps on wanting more, don't it? It keeps on taking all my shrimps. But that's okay, we're gonna fill these things up. Get them all full. We want everybody to enjoy the deliciousness of this shrimps. Come on, get down in there. Get off me. There we go, last one. Let's put them in this one, right there. All right, shrimp's in. The shrimp is in, y'all, look at that. I'd eat it like that, personally, but we ain't done. We have this delicious, delicious slaw over here. We're gonna take, just kind of top each one here. The thing is, with this slaw, add as much, as little as you want to. However, it don't matter. Whatever you want to do it. Oh yeah, I can smell the way this slaw tastes. Does that make sense? It does to me. It smells so good. One more, y'all. One more. There we go. A little more on that one. There we go. And there you go. These Asian style shrimp tacos are done. Simple, quick, fast, easy in a hurry, perfect for them weeknight meals. But before I dig in, y'all check these out. Look at how delicious and juicy. I mean, look at the juices down in there from them shrimp and that slaw. Yes, sir, that shrimp is cooked perfectly. That slaw is good and seasoned. And tortilla shells are good and warm. There ain't but one thing left to do, and that's eat these things. So what'd you think about those? They looked amazing, didn't they? Now, there's always options. There's always options in everything, I guess. I personally want some yum yum sauce on mine. Some people may not want it. That's okay. I do, and I'm gonna get it. So there's one more thing to do, and that's me to pick up this one right here. Well, try it out. That, oh, wow. Man, that's good. Put you back down for a minute. Just for a minute. I'm coming back. That's absolutely amazing, y'all. Super easy. Really quick to put together. Perfect for them busy weeknights. Perfect for them nights that ain't busy. This is perfect any day, night, whatever. Make these. Take pictures of them. Tag me in them. Man, the flavors just stay with you. That Asian style slaw, perfect. Perfect on these. So let me know what would you add to yours, take away. Would you use some yum? Some yum. Yum yum. I can't even talk right. Either way, let me know what you do to yours. I showed you what I do to mine. I got to take these into the family because I know they're wanting them. So with that, we'll see you next time.